so swollen. I just woke up and today I'm gonna be sharing my morning routine with you guys. I'm gonna start off with cleansing my face, and I usually use my Garnier micellar cleanser. It's one of the gentle formulation. Absolutely love it. I like to take out the actives from the night before. So I was using Tretinoin. So I'm just gonna take that out. That's what you do. And either you can blow it and make it into a foam like this, or you can just gently rub it all over your face. So I'm just gonna do this. See the dirt? Wow, that's pretty dirty. I don't know where I was yesterday. I was just like going to university, doing my stuff, and still I feel like very dirty. Anyway, it's not a problem. I'm just gonna remove every dirt from my face and also my active. Now I'm gonna be using my CeraVe hydrating cleanser. Usually in the mornings, I like to be as gentle as possible because when you're using tretinoin on your face tends to be very sensitive. So you don't have to use anything that's very harsh on your skin. So I usually start off with the hydrating cleanser. And in the evenings when I have a lot of oil on my skin, it's because of sweating and also due to numerous reasons that like sports activity, I use the CeraVe foaming cleanser in evening. So now I am just going to use the hydrating cleanser in the morning so that I can just gently rub out all the dirt particles from my face. I have this much product in my hand. I'm just going to rub it nicely, make it into a creamy consistency like this. And then I'm just going to massage it all over my face. Now that I have nicely massaged my face, I'm just gonna clean it. Now that I have cleansed my face, I'm just gonna brush my teeth and then proceed with different steps. I brushed my teeth. Now I'm just gonna be prepping my face for the next step, and I like to use paper towel instead of face towel. It's just because I've seen that when you use paper towel, it's like more gentle towards your skin and it doesn't leave like fine lines and also doesn't irritate. So you don't have to worry about the bacterial contamination when you're using paper towel because it's a fresh towel every time you use it. Whereas your face towel needs to be cleaned every damn day because there is different bacteria harboring on your face towel. So you need to keep your face very clean, especially when you're using tretinoin. So I just don't want to trigger my skin in any way possible. So I'm just going to use the face towel. And this face towel, you can use it for makeup application later. You can just, if you want to blend something, I use it in a lot of ways. I just take one paper towel, I rub it on my face, and then after that when I'm applying my makeup, and then I use it while blending process. So it's just a universal thing for me. It's like, I'm not gonna just use it for getting rid of my water droplets on the face. Then I'm gonna be using my Avene Thermal water. This is like really good. If you see over here, there are different elements present in it, and these elements are necessary for the cell functioning on your skin. And I love it, but people always tell me that it's expensive water to be even invested on. I don't care. I love it. I've seen better improvement. I've seen hydrated skin after using this for a very long time. And it is specially designed for the skin which is like itchy, dry, and is kind of flaky. And when you are using tretinoin or adapalene, your skin is purging, especially in over here and also near your eye area. So you need something that can calm it down. So this is the one that I absolutely love. That's it. Just a circle spray, and that's it. And I'm just gonna rub it everywhere on my face, near my eye area, to soothe out the skin over there. Now I'm just gonna let it dry a bit, and then I'm gonna be using my moisturizer. So I have quite a lot of choices for moisturizer. So every moisturizer is non-comedogenic and also fragrance free, whatever I apply. I also suggest those moisturizers for everyone. So I have mentioned everything in the description below. You can check out the links and where you can buy it. So I am going to be showing my first moisturizer that I absolutely love is this one, and this is the La Roche-Posay AP plus M. I use it on my face, it's not a problem. I have seen that because in Vilnius it's so cold, I need something that can actually moisturize and also feel light. So this is also a light version of it, not a heavy thick moisturizer. And the another moisturizer that I'm a big fan of is this one, Cica Plus from the La Roche-Posay again. It's vitamin B5. The thing about this moisturizer is that it's too heavy and thick. It's good when you're applying tretinoin at nighttime or else Adapalene. So then this is the best moisturizer that you have to apply instantly after tretinoin or before the application of Adapalene, because in tretinoin you put tretinoin first and then the moisturizer, but in Adapalene you put the moisturizer first and then Adapalene. So this is the best for Adapalene as well as tretinoin. If you guys have been in my channel for a very long time, I love CeraVe moisturizer. It is one of my favorite and I absolutely love it. So this is the moisturizer that I keep on using on daily basis, but I today want it to be something light and thick at the same time, because I have seen that there has been a little purging over here near my lip area. So I want to take care of that a bit. So I'm just gonna be using the La Roche-Posay AP plus M. I just take like a boop, that is it. And now that my skin is a bit dried off, I am gonna take this moisturizer, nicely applied everywhere. Now that I have applied moisturizer, I'm just gonna let it sit for some time, and then I'm gonna apply my favorite physical sunscreen. It's the Neostrata. It's one of amazing fragrance-free, denatured, alcohol-free. Oh my god, I cannot stop talking about it. I found it actually in the drugstore and I have mentioned it in one of my videos, so check it out. And it's really amazing physical sunscreen. The formulation rocks. Perfect. So you have to first shake it well before you use it. So I'm just gonna, yeah. All right. So it's a bit tinted one. I don't mind usually. So yeah, nice. So I'm just gonna first apply it on my skin. I think my moisturizer is a bit set. Nice. I'm just gonna take it. Don't forget your eye area, it's the must. If you forget your eye area, you will see the signs of aging over here first. So yeah, nice. So there is like different physical sunscreens present in the market, but you can even use color signs. It has different tints to it. If you're a darker skin type, it has tint for that. I mean, I love a lot of sunscreens that are in the market, but like I rarely select chemical sunscreen. But one thing that I love about La Roche-Posay is this chemical sunscreen that's anti-shine. I mean, I have absolutely loved the formulation. It's just simple and perfect. But other than that, if you want some, let's say, tinted compact, so I have a tinted compact even, but it's like, how to say, for the touch-up purpose. So the tinted compact that I absolutely love is from Avene and Heat Protection. It's also 50 and plus. I have this sunscreen as well, and it has amazing protection against the UVA and UVB rays of the sun, and it has been studied that it can cure cancer. So wow, Avene products are like really interesting for me. They always drive me crazy. and the research in France is all about Avene being the best product everywhere. So yeah, I keep telling all my subscribers and all the people whosoever is watching my videos that never forget your eye area while applying your sunscreen. So that is why physical sunscreen never irritates your eye area, but chemical sunscreen can do that. So that is the reason why I always try to be very careful while choosing a physical or else chemical sunscreen for my face. Now I'm gonna let this sunscreen sit on my face for good 20 to 30 minutes, and till that time I'm gonna just change my dress, get ready for university, do my hair, and then head out of the house. You cannot go instantly out of your house after wearing sunscreen because it takes time to sit on your skin and create that shield. So just don't do a rush attack like, oh, I wore sunscreen, now I can go out. No, you have to wait inside, wait for at least 20-30 minutes, and then you have to go outside. You also have to do retouch up every 2 hours. So for that I have my Avene Heat Protection Compact. It is kind of I like it. It is more like a physical sunscreen. It has zinc oxide, titanium oxide, as well as iron oxide, and I love the compact way that they have given. Like you have like a sponge, and there is the product, and there is a mirror as well. So I like to put it in my bag, and I'm always carrying it around. nice sunscreen, one of the nice loved sunscreen. And the another liquid sunscreen that is also physical is this one. It is tinted, but the one thing that I want to talk about this sunscreen is that if you are darker skinned than me, then it will definitely show that you are wearing some sort of sunscreen on your face. It does leave a little bit white cast to the people who are darker than me. But if you belong to somewhere closer to my skin tone, I think, like, which is like a dusky to medium dark, then I don't think that it will show any white cast on you. So it sits on your skin very well, and then it is like a little bit light shiny effect. So that is normal to have that effect of wearing sunscreen, so it's fine. But if you are darker skinned people, so just don't use this, rather use Skin Science, and they have a darker tint to it. Then I'm gonna just apply my Eucerin lip balm. And I'm gonna change my clothes. So let's go ahead and do that.